Good afternoon, welcome back to Auto Assets. My name is Zach, and here with me today is a 2017 Volkswagen GTI S. This is finished in deep black pearl effect. I'm going to walk you around the car and show you anything that stands out to me. Start up here on the front bumper, you're going to notice a little minor rock chip there on the very side. Maybe a little hard to get to with some of the reflection, but there it is. And normal road rash up front. You'll see some up here on the bumper. And a little more on the hood. Up here to the driver front wheel, pretty good shape. A few little minor scuffs here and there, nothing too substantial. See a little scratch there on the spoke, and a little bit down there on that bottom spoke. Powder coated red calipers. Windows are tinted, I would say probably around 35%, maybe a little bit darker. And back here to the driver rear wheel, pretty good shape again. Little scuffing there on the lip. And a little curb rash right there. Rear bumper's in excellent shape. There's not a bunch of damage back here near the cargo area like you normally see from people unloading or loading cargo. This does have an aftermarket ECS tuning catback exhaust, so it's got a little noise to it. Sounds good, a little rumble. And back here to the passenger rear wheel. Notice a little bit of curb rash up there on the top. Rest of the wheel's in pretty good shape. As you can see, no dents on the passenger side doors. And last but not least, up here on the passenger front wheel, pretty good shape. A little bit of cosmetic damage here, a little bit there to the lip of the wheel, and a little bit there on the spoke and lip. Take you to the interior. Interior is going to be a Titan black. This does have the Plaid. Stainless steel door guards. 3-stage heated front seats. And you've got your 6-speed manual transmission there. Nice multifunction steering wheel with the red stitching to match. And if you can see the odometer there, 65,681 is the current reading. Alright folks, if you have any questions about this vehicle, feel free to give us a call anytime, 614-793-1050.